কাঠবেড়ালি পেয়ারা তুমি খাও, গুড়মুড়ি খাও, বাতাবেলা ভুলাও, বেড়াল বাচ্চা কুচ্ছা না তাও, ডাইনে তুমি হুঁট কাপে ঢুক, খাওয়া কাপাও যেথায় যেটুক, বাদাম নেবু সকলগুলো, একলা খেলে ডুবে নিল, তবে যে বাড়ি লেজ উঠিয়ে পুটুস পাটুস চাও, সেটা তুমি তোমার সঙ্গে আর আমার যাও।
We are also conduct 30 coaching center in our Sampur block under Howrah district for the dropout students. Most of the students have come from poverty stricken poor family, and we provided annual sports, cultural program and academic coaching for that voyage. Last not least, education is not a constant journey without any destination. সমস্ত গ্রামবাসীদের কাছে অনুরোধ জানাচ্ছি, যারা আমাদের এই
monitoring, meeting.
You make them here in this place?
And
Okay.
here is the classroom. Here to 2 hours, 3 hours by foot.
Oh yes, they can.
Yes.
So you go to the center? Yes? You visit
Udawood Road.
what?
Udawood Road.
Yes? Oh, just yes. By
এখানে যান। এখন হবে তৃতীয় এবং চতুর্থ শ্রেণীর ছাত্রদের
করতে পারছো না, কত সাদা হয়ে আছে 8
First of all, I want to say that it is very nice to see all of you, all the family, the teacher and the students all together and to play sports. I think sports and physical education is very important too. And to know they go so far in their studies with the help of ABC. And I want to say thank you to Sukeshi and to Supo and Kapu and all the team, and I know the good job they do. The students you see did before and have a good study and good job after to help your family. So thank you for all.
Please continue to meditate.
Okay.
Didi.